Breaking news, global markets just got rattled by a major Middle East ceasefire and a big move from the Fed. Welcome to the fellow investor. Let's get straight to the overnight financial headlines. First, oil markets are making waves. WTI crude futures dropped about 5% to $65.20 a barrel, extending a 7.5% plunge from the previous session. That's lower than prices just before Israel's attack on Iran on June 12th. Why? President Trump announced a complete and total ceasefire between Israel and Iran, brokered by Qatar. Both sides have accepted, at least for now, easing fears of a supply crunch through the vital Strait of Hormuz. But the truce is shaky. Israel already accuses Iran of violations and is threatening retaliation. Switching gears to monetary policy, Fed Chair Powell says there's no rush to cut interest rates. The Fed kept rates unchanged at 4.25% to 4.50% for a fourth straight meeting, signaling just 2 cuts this year. The Fed also downgraded its GDP growth outlook. Meanwhile, the U.S. current account deficit ballooned by 44% to $450.2 billion last quarter, worse than expected. North of the border, Canadian inflation held steady at 1.7% in May, still below the Bank of Canada's 2% target. In the UK, manufacturing slumped, with new orders at their lowest since January. And the IMF just approved $1.33 billion for Bangladesh in new support. For more updates, stay tuned to The Fellow Investor.